Good morning. Checking outside, things are looking pretty good for us. We're quiet. We've just got some nice dry weather and a few clouds rolling through this morning. Otherwise, that's it. We are quiet. There are a couple of places where we do have a little bit of fog, as you would expect, with light wind and not much to show you on the radar and clear skies. Checking out our temperatures, we are in the 60s in the Southern Valley. We're at 65 degrees in Fargo, 57 in Grand Forks. It's 54 in Baudette, 63 in Detroit Lakes and in Fergus Falls, and 59 degrees in Devil's Lake. Wind is very light. In fact, we've got calm air being reported in places like Lakes Country up along the Canadian border. If we do have some wind, it's out of the north for the most part, and we're looking at wind speeds that are less than 10 miles per hour. Speaking of that fog, it's gotten a lot better in Bemidji. We were at a mile at the top of the half hour. Now we're looking at 10 miles there, so that's good to see that report. Hopefully it stays that way. And then down toward Park Rapids and Wadena, also just some slight improvement there. 3 miles in Park Rapids and Wadena are a visibility report there at 1.5 miles. So that's kind of the tough area to be dealing with that fog this morning. Checking out the radar and satellite picture, we've got dry weather, which is great to start off your morning. No problems getting into work with weather. Of course, lots of construction out there, though, that might hamper your return to work today. And also some cloud cover in eastern parts of North Dakota, bringing some partly cloudy skies there. So here's a look at your forecast. Expect some numbers on their way up to about 70 degrees in the 9 o'clock hour. We'll be there with mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. Should be beautiful throughout the morning. We'll have a nice noon hour. Expect temperatures at that point to be in the 70s to some low 80s. And we continue to rise from there back into the upper 80s in a couple of spots in southeastern North Dakota, especially. Other areas, maybe not quite so warm, maybe not even getting to 80 degrees in Baudette, but still mild with some 70s for you in the Baudette area to near 80 degrees with that wind staying light as well. So really pleasant, mostly sunny skies and quiet conditions. By 8 o'clock, a great night, still sunny. We've got some great weather ahead of us for the evening hours. Now, 11 o'clock, you could see some things going on to the west of us there. There's a chance for some rain and thunder returning in the forecast for your Tuesday. So let's go ahead and look at Tuesday. We've got that chance for some storms, perhaps a few of them in the overnight hours tonight. We'll see a few rolling in. This is 3 a.m. and then into the morning, even starting off with some rain and thunder rumbling out there, Northern Valley especially around 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. Temperatures very mild to begin our day. And then later into the daytime, we've got some showers continuing, temperatures into the 70s with some muggy conditions. You're going to notice the humidity again. Wind out of the southeast and a little stronger or a lot stronger with some gusts into the 20s to about 30 miles per hour. And again, a few areas of rain showers and thunder into the morning. Now ahead for the afternoon, we kind of clear out. And if we do clear out, that will help to fuel the fire. So we'll get some real heat starting to build in. Temperatures, big difference between where we've got the clouds and where we have the dry air with that warmer air punching in. So we're going to be into those upper 80s in parts of the Southern Valley, especially out west, at some 70s to the north and east. And again, that could help to fuel some of those thunderstorms into even the late night hours tomorrow night through Wednesday morning. So we're looking at an active period starting up late tonight, mainly in the overnight hours and throughout your Tuesday and beyond. So tonight we'll have a beautiful sunset, hopefully like this one, with gorgeous colors on Whitefish Lake. This is in Polk County. Mary grabbed this photo for us. If you'd like to share your photos of sunsets or maybe some stormy weather, you can go to valleynewslive.com and upload your photos to our photo gallery there. Here's a look at our planner for the next couple of days. Again, hot, muggy. Today should be beautiful and dry and worry-free, but for Tuesday, even in the early morning hours, we have that chance for some storms, and some of them could be severe, especially in the afternoon and evening hours for your Tuesday. So that's the next event to watch out for into early Wednesday. Now, Thursday and Friday, we start to heat back up after a brief cool down. Still hot, though, no matter what. We're looking at least 80 degrees in the forecast. And that will mean a few showers or thunder showers on Friday. But this weekend so far looks hot and sunny, perfect for you lake goers.
It's tough to see that on a Monday because already I just wanted to go back to the weekend. Exactly. Thank you, Lisa.
It's a motivational Monday here on the Valley today. And coming up next, Christy Larson will have workouts that you don't need any equipment or even a gym to get done.